Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to claim yourself on a W-4 form. First, gather your personal information, including your social security number and current address. This form helps your employer withhold the correct amount of federal income tax from your paychecks, preventing a large tax bill or refund at year-end. Understanding each step ensures accurate withholding, aligning with your financial goals. Moving to the first two steps, begin by filling out your personal details in Step 1, including your full name and social security number. Then, select your appropriate filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. If you hold more than one job, or if your spouse also works, carefully complete Step 2 to ensure proper withholding across all incomes. This prevents underwithholding. Next, in Step 3, you can account for dependents to reduce your withholding. For each qualifying child under 17, you can claim a $2,000 tax credit. For other qualifying dependents, you can claim a $500 credit. Multiply the number of dependents by their respective credit amounts and enter the total on the form. This step significantly impacts your take-home pay. Finally, in Step 4, you can make additional adjustments. Use Section A for other income not subject to withholding, like interest or dividends. Section B allows you to account for itemized deductions exceeding the standard deduction. If you prefer more tax withheld, enter an additional amount per pay period in Section C. Conclude by signing and dating the form in Step 5, then submit it to your employer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.